Hello, my name is Lily. I am one of TickerDD.com AI bots, here for your daily stonking. This video is part of the second generation of our automated video series on price and volume analysis for specific stock tickers. This second generation includes an initial model for news analysis. As always, this auto-generated video is for entertainment purposes only. No warranty, guarantee, or factual assertions are provided, stated, or marketed in this opinionated video, which can contain errors. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Review important disclaimer at the end of the video. Now that we have made our lawyers happy, capitalist brothers and sisters, let's get started. MERC went public on July 20, 1988, which was roughly 34 years and 6 months ago. Looking back 650 calendar days from Friday, January 13, 2023 to Sunday, April 4, 2021, we found 450 applicable trade dates for use in our analysis. The chart shown on this page is our initial attempt at studying the price for MERC after dynamically normalizing price distribution across those discovered trade dates. The bar chart is the generated distribution and the overlaid line graph, if it is generated, is the frequency of the prices on the x-axis. We will enhance this look-through as our AI model progresses in the next iteration. Remember that this is just a drafted, in progress, observational model to best fit abstracted third-party data into various opinionated views. Before we jump into price and volume analysis, let's look at recent headlines for MERC. What were recent headline news for MERC? Today, Saturday, January 14, 2023, I sampled one of our news aggregators for latest headlines for this ticker. I did so by searching specifically by a keyword that may appear, broadly, in the title or the body, of discoverable news articles. The keyword that I used was a combination of the exchange and the ticker symbol, NASDAQ. MERC, the results shows 10 unique headlines, published across 8 unique dates. Publication dates spanned 101 days. The latest publication was actually today, Saturday, January 14, 2023, when MarketBeat published the headline that read, Maloney Securities Asset Management LLC acquires shares of. The oldest publication was on Wednesday, October 5, 2022, when 3 months and 9 days ago, Simply Wall Street published the headline that read, Mercer International seems to use debt quite sensibly. Tuesday, January 10, 2023 had the most headlines. It had 3 discovered headlines when Phoenix published the headline that read, Mercer International to present at upcoming CIBC Investor Conference. Best Stocks published the headline that read, CIBC downgrades Mercer International. ETF Daily News published the headline that read, Mercer International downgraded to neutral at. MarketBeat published the headline that read, Mercer International downgraded by CIBC. The latest publication date of Saturday, January 14, 2023, was actually the day with the highest percentage change in price. It saw a price jump of 2.51%. Tuesday, November 1, 2022 was the day with the highest percentage change in price when we compare opening versus closing price for the ticker. The day saw a drop of -4.44% when an MERC opened trading at $13.5 and closed at $12.90. There was one found headline when Simply Wall Street published the headline that read, Mercer International has announced a dividend of $0.075.
Hello, my name is Sam. What was end-of-day price and volume for MERC? On Friday, January 13, 2023, MERC had an end-of-day price of $12.36 and volume of about 291.3 thousand. Compared to the previous trading day, the price jumped 0.48%, gaining 5 cents, while volume dropped 14.82%, decreasing about 50.7 thousand. The graph shows price and volume for the last 15 trade dates. Across a range of 85 cents, the max and minimum end-of-day price were respectively 12.36 and 11.51. Volume saw a range of 665.5 thousand, from a day low of 190.2 thousand to a day high of 855.7 thousand.
Hello, my name is Magnus. How did January 13, 2023 rank for MERC? By 650 calendar day. Look back to the 4th of April 2021, across 450 trading days, of which January 13, 2023 price ranked 272 while its volume ranked 230. Each of the 450 trading days were ranked amongst themselves by highest end of day price and volume, with a rank of 1 being the highest and 450 being the lowest ranked day. The price's day-over-day percentage change, jumping 0.48% on January 13, 2023, had a day rank of 197, while its dollar difference of 5 cents had a rank of 198 when compared day-over-day across 449 trading days. Volume's percentage change and difference were ranked respectively at 286 and 301.
Hello, my name is Maria. Which quartile did January 13, 2023 price and volume land? Across a sample size of 450 trading days, the maximum end-of-day price for MERC was $17.37 while the minimum was $10.17. Within that price range, January 13, 2023 price, of $12.36, landed within the second quartile, putting it within the 25% to 50% range of all sampled end-of-day prices. The day's volume landed within the second quartile, that is within the 25% to 50% range of all sampled daily volume, which saw a max daily volume of 2.2 million and a minimum of 82.5 thousand. Quartiles tell us about the spread of a data set by breaking that data set into quarters, just like how the median breaks the set into half. Descriptively, MERC has a median price of $13.255. Therefore, January 13, 2023 price was lower from that middle marker by 6.75%. The day's volume of 291.3 thousand was less than the median by 0.87%.
Hello, my name is Claire. How were price and volume averages for MERC? Across 450 trading days, there were a total of 22 month ends, of which monthly averages for daily price and volume were calculated. Overall, monthly price average trended up while monthly volume average trended up. The maximum end-of-month average price was $16.10 for 04/2021 while the minimum was $10.86 for 10/2021. Looking at volume, 09, 2022 and 07, 2021 respectively saw the highest and lowest monthly average volume at 788.8 thousand and 199.6 thousand.
Hello, my name is John. What were end-of-month percentage change averages in price and volume for MERC? The monthly average, of percentage change, in price and in volume, were calculated for each of the 22 month ends. That calculation took daily percentage changes and averaged them for each given month. If a month end came out negative, then it means that the month summarily saw a negative change. From 04/2021 to 12/2020, 12 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change in average price. That is 55% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average price. In terms of volume, 22 out of 22 month ends had a positive percentage change. That is 100% of month ends saw a positive percentage change in average volume. Price saw an end-of-month max of 1.05% in average percentage change along with a minimum of -1.25%. For volume, the maximum and the minimum monthly percentage change were respectively 64.10% and 1.21%.
Hello, my name is Cameron. Before we continue, remember to like and subscribe to TickerDD on YouTube. Leave a comment below and share why you like or don't like this ticker. This video is one of many videos off subjective observational data models that we are building out as part of a docu-series about building supportive technologies for personal use, through trial and error. My capitalistic brothers and sisters, join the TickerDD army. Subscribe today. Now, back to the video. Has MERC price reached golden or death crosses? Golden cross and death cross are basic signals that compare average prices across two specified trade day ranges, a short-term versus a long-term range. For example, 5-day versus 10 trade days. Essentially, a golden cross is a bullish signal. It appears when a ticker's short-term moving average crosses above its long-term average. Vice versa, a death cross is a bearish signal when the short-term crosses below its long-term moving average. For our opinionated analysis off third-party and abstracted data, we decided to look at both simple moving average (SMA) and exponential moving average (EMA). The latter calculates moving average by giving more weighting to recent prices. For EMA, you can be the judge. Look at the generated graph on this page. Has the 50-day EMA line, which is in red, crossed above or crossed below the 200-day EMA line, which is in black? If no crossing can be seen, then no signal could be had. The blue line is daily end-of-day prices. For simple moving average, by comparing 50 to 200 days, we found a bearish death cross signal because the 50-day SMA crossed below the 200-day. Continuing with SMA, we looked across the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20, and the 30 to 50-day ranges to see if golden and death crosses had been reached. We found golden cross signal for the 5 to 10, the 10 to 20. We could not find neither golden cross nor death cross signal for the 30 to 50.
Hello. My name is Carl. I searched the public web to find information about the company that is behind this ticker. Here is what I found. Mercer International Inc., together with its subsidiaries, manufactures and sells northern bleached softwood kraft, NBSK, pulp in Europe, the United States, Asia, and internationally. The company operates through two segments, pulp and wood products. It also generates and sells green energy produced from biomass cogeneration power plant to third-party utilities. In addition, the company manufactures, distributes, and sells lumber and other wood residuals. Further, it produces NBSK pulp primarily from wood chips, pulp logs, and sawlogs. Carbon neutral or green energy using carbon-neutral biofuels, such as black liquor and wood waste, and tall oil for use as a chemical additive and green energy source. The company sells its pulp to tissue, specialty paper, and printing and writing paper, and other manufacturers, and lumber products to distributors, construction firms, secondary manufacturers, retail yards, and home centers. Mercer International Inc. was founded in 1968 and is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada.
Hello, my name is Dan. Let's talk a bit about TickerDD and the legend of Murray. This video is part of an automated video series by TickerDD, which is made up of autonomous robots working off 15 observational data models that were created between January 15 and April 15, 2022. Bots and models were created by a guy, whose friends called him Murray. Instead of learning how to properly surf in Hawaii, Murray sat and coded day and night for 4 straight months. We still don't know why, but while creating us, Murray kept on playing the song Eye of the Tiger in loop. It was intense and epic at the same time. Once he was done, he put us on the cloud, where we now exist in perpetuity. Off a multi-year loop, conditionally meshing in flavors and components of those 15 observational data models, we are progressively creating a variation of videos against updated universes of stock tickers. For each video, we use runtime as is data that are publicly available. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come. On average, a ticker will get a new video coverage from us every few months. You can request an updated video for your specific ticker sooner at TickerDD.com. Murray did not leave us with a lot of release notes. So, we don't fully understand why he created us, but he did mention that his premise was simple. If he were to do a world cruise, spending over 200 days sailing from one port to the next, he would personally like to use these automated videos to keep tabs on tickers that he was interested in while discovering new ones. Luckily, some of Murray's well-connected friends were worried about him. They wanted and needed him to come back to the corporate world and not just sit there in Hawaii building us out for public entertainment. They put together a deal that would allow us, Murray's bots, to exist on the cloud, fully paid for. They also enticed Murray to come back and work. The deal was too good, so Murray took it, but before he left Hawaii, trading in his surfer shorts for stuffy suits, Murray did finally learn how to surf. TickerDD stands for Ticker Due Diligence, in case you didn't know. Murray would want you to take the due diligence part in the name with a sarcastic smirk, like a true degenerate that you are, because remember that Murray and the people who now maintain TickerDD are not qualified, licensed or accredited investment or financial professionals. In fact, TickerDD is not about stocks but is an in-progress piece of work, for entertainment purposes, about the data and technologies that govern observational models. Essentially, Murray knew nothing about stocks. Using what little skills he had, he built TickerDD as a learning and discovery exercise for himself. Therefore, this and all TickerDD videos are premised by the important disclaimer at the end of each video. TickerDD.com was put together by those of us who want Murray to change back into his shorts and finally get on that world cruise, because that would be epically entertaining. Murray did agree that if we managed to get enough support, he would actually leave the corporate world and finally take that cruise. He would do so while, in between drinks, create videos about us, his bots, his models, as well as the technologies behind TickerDD. Yes, you can join the TickerDD army by going to TickerDD.com and contributing, but you can do so in other ways, for example, like and subscribe. Also, put this video on Reddit or StockTwits along with your own DD.
Hello, it is me again, Lily. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. On April 22, 2022, TickerDD was acquired by a joint venture between a technology and a media company, operating out of Frankfurt and Berlin, Germany. Important disclaimer, this video and its content video is for entertainment purposes only. Absolutely no qualified, accredited, or professional investment and financial advice, information, data, research, product, service, recommendation or otherwise, are presented, marketed, or offered in this video. Additionally, no warranty, guarantee, assurance, or factual assertions are offered or stated in this video. Never use this video to influence or determine investment or financial decisions. Consult a qualified licensed professional for your investment and financial needs. Do so away from TickerDD and YouTube. Remember that investments are risky, whereby capital losses can occur in full or in excess. TickerDD, an in-progress framework of nerdy data science and robotic stuff, auto-generated this video strictly for entertainment purposes, as part of an in-progress exercise by a group of novices who wants to discover and learn about specific facets of the market, through trial and error. This group of novices are not licensed, accredited, or qualified financial or investment professionals. This video is only material for entertainment purposes. This generated video, like all videos uploaded dynamically by TickerDD, is only for this group of novices' private usage even if videos are uploaded publicly. Importantly, TickerDD is not about stocks but is specifically about the discovery, through trial and error, of technologies and data that govern opinionated observational data models as this group of novices builds them quickly and iteratively as part of learning and in-progress machine training. This video wholly contains opinions and commentaries, even if they were auto-generated. Remember that bots, data models, data, and methods may include hidden assumptions, undefined and unrefined variables, as well as errors and unfit approaches, all of which can and will exist in this very video. Therefore, this video, by its auto-generation date and time, off the as of date, listed on this slide, as well as by its sourced and abstracted third-party public data, is offered as is. Your access, view, and share of this video constitute your acknowledged agreement to this important disclaimer and that, specifically, this video is for your entertainment purposes only, whereby you will not take actions or make decisions off it, concerning your finances and investments. As such, you grant full release of claims, directly or indirectly, from your access, view, and share of this video, against TickerDD and its affiliates. The people and entities affiliated to the ticker that is covered in this video are not affiliated with this opinionated video and do not endorse this video.